What's up YouTube? Trail King here. Welcome to my channel where I promote about trail building, riding, and maintaining. Today we're at beautiful Mountain Creek once again, my favorite place in the whole wide world. Well, today we have a very special day. All year we have been building out the biggest feature Mountain Creek has ever seen. The trail crew has really dialed this in, and this is the free ride jump that they call the pit. So we're gonna get pitted today. We're gonna get sideways. Tricks are gonna be going down. We have a massive step down as well as a massive booter lip, as well as a warm-up drop and lip. So lots of action's gonna be going down today. You know, you should be able to see a lot of levels of different riders, which is super awesome. So let's get into the activities today. Big shout out to Red Bull for helping to make this project happen. Shout out to Trail Crew and shout out to Mountain Creek for having the vision and executing it awesomely. So let's check out the awesomeness.
Specialize in the Fox helmet. You're getting the prize. See who you're winning against? The dirt of it. Spanorama, everybody. What's flying us around?